my name is Trishaa and welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about the monthly favorite and this is combination of 3 months, March, April and May. And I guess मेरे पास हर एक कैटेगरी में कुछ ना कुछ न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स है, कुछ ना कुछ न्यू थिंग है आपको दिखाने के लिए. So yeah, without wasting any further moment, let's directly dive into the video. But if you're new to here, then hi, my name is Trishaa and I make content around travel, lifestyle and beauty. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss out any video of mine. Now let's begin this video. जिससे literally मेरा दिन शुरू होता है और खत्म भी होता है. I'm talking about this Davidoff Espresso 57 Intense Coffee. I just love this coffee. As you can see, मैंने पूरा खत्म कर दिया है and it's just 25 to 28 days and it's परफेक्ट. मेरी लिटरली सुबह भी इससे होती है, रात भी इससे ही होती है. आई लव इट. यू कैन सी मैंने इतना यूज़ किया है कि हार्डली 1 स्पून भी नहीं है इसमें. ओके, इसके पीछे एक स्टोरी है. मैं प्रीवियसली रिच अरोमा यूज़ करती थी फ्रॉम द डेविडॉफ, बट लास्ट मंथ मुझे वो कहीं भी मिल नहीं रही थी. लाइक ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन किसी भी स्टोर में मुझे नहीं मिल रही थी. एंड देन आई गेट माई हैंड्स ऑन दिस एंड द फर्स्ट day I met this coffee and I just fall in love with this taste. It's just perfect experience for all those who are into caffeine and coffee. It's just amazing experience. If you are someone who is beginner to caffeine things, I won't suggest directly because as per the names, yes ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा intense है. If you are beginner तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कड़वी लग सकती है, इसलिए आप बहुत ज़्यादा sugar add करोगे, which is a very wrong thing while making your coffee. But if you are someone who is into caffeine or coffee for I guess more than 3 years, you should definitely try this at least once. तो पीने वाले कॉफी की बात हो चुकी है. Now let's talk about that coffee जिसे actually आप शावर ले सकते हैं. I'm talking about this caffeine coffee shower gel and I'm in the variant espresso. This is beyond explanation. I literally loved it. Look at the packaging, how beautiful this packaging is looked like. It's actually look like a coffee mug. Now this has some more variant like cappuccino, latte and all of that, but personally मेरा favorite espresso because of course smell. इसकी smell इतनी divine है, like literally is just experience to use this shower gel. And second thing, इसमें ना छोटे छोटे particles है which helps to remove dirt and the dead skin and all of that, which gives a gentle scrub like effect to everyday shower routine, which is amazing thing. I will mention the link of this product in the description box below, so in case you are interested you can go and check out. And trust me, it's just amazing to use this shower gel. Plus ये बहुत ही अच्छे से लेदर करता है and look at the amount you get in the price is just amazing. You should definitely try at least once. Now let's talk about the hair category and I have 2 products in that. Now let's talk first about this L'Oreal Professional Extensive Care Mask. Okay, to be honest मुझे L'Oreal इतना ज़्यादा सूट नहीं करता. There is only 2 brands which suits me actually amazingly. The first one is Bella Professional and the second one is Poshmark. But after I guess बहुत ही ज़्यादा सोचने के बाद ना मैंने ये मास्क ट्राई किया. But this mask is just amazing. I mean look at the tip. मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. It's just perfect going with my Vela shampoo. I'm still using Vela का shampoo because इसका shampoo पता नहीं मुझे अभी तक सूट नहीं हो रहा है, but it's performing amazing with my Vela shampoo. Nourish your hair at the next level. I have done chemical treatment to my hair for a couple of times and this is repairing my hair to the another level. I literally loving this. मैंने literally Vela का मास्क इसके बाद नहीं लिया है. I'm definitely buying 2-3 tub इसके एक साथ. Now pairing with this I have the same serum Extensio serum. It's पता नहीं, it's just magic to your hair. I was using Squashcoff का hair serum but वो बहुत टाइम से आउट ऑफ स्टॉक चल रहा था. मुझे कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल रहा था. इवन नायका पे भी बहुत ही जल्दी वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक चला जाता था. So मैंने थक हार के ये सीरम लिया and it's trust me, it's just amazing. Plus it's performing well with the mask and ये दोनों मेरे वेला के शैम्पू के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. I just love it. Look at the packaging. I'm using since 4 months and I guess 30 or 40% ही यूज हुआ है, which is a pretty much good deal. I love it. If you haven't tried this serum now, I definitely say please go and try it. If you want to pick any one thing from today's video, now go and get your hands on this. Trust me, you won't regret. Next I have is this Dot & Key Skincare 72 Hour Hydration Gel is the moisturizer. मैंने इसका हाइप बहुत सुना था, बट मुझे ना कभी ऐसा हिम्मत नहीं हुई टू ट्राई करने की, बट it is amazing. I'm using the I guess 2 or 3 months and it's beautiful out there. Look at the quantity I have used and the packaging is also so cute. Look at this stuff, so cute. I just loved it. And the thing I actually not hate but I don't like about this moisturizer is कि smell ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा weird smell करता है. I don't know why. So if you're someone जिसको fragrance का problem है, I guess इसका ना एक छोटा सा try on वाला टब आता है which is 25 ml. Go and get your hands on that first. अगर आपको fragrance से कुछ इतना ज़्यादा problem नहीं हो रहा है, आप इतना बड़ा इसका जो टब है वो purchase करना. As this moisturizer is just amazing. Actually I can replace this moisturizer with my clinic one because obviously मुझे ये थोड़ा cheap मिल रहा है, so why I'm going to spend 2000 just for the moisturizer. Next I have is this lipstick and it's from Maybelline New York Ink Crayon and I'm in the shade 85. I loved this lipstick when I was in college, but suddenly मैंने ये stop कर दिया. But last 3 months या 4 months से मैं continuously ये use कर रही हूँ. Look at the shade, it's so beautiful, so nude, so pink. It's just perfect shade for the everyday. In fact, currently I'm wearing this shade only. I am loving this. Plus ये मेरे lips को ना dry भी नहीं करती, so I'm again becoming a Maybelline baby. But anyways, I just love this. Now let's talk about the next category, which is a fragrance, and I have with me is Victoria's Secret Body Mist in the variant Pure Seduction. It's just amazing. Okay, long story short, I was in college, I guess 18 years old जब मैंने पहली बार ये Pure Seduction use किया था. It was a gift by one of my very close friend because हम स्कूल से साथ में थे and मैं स्कूल से ही Victoria's Secret की बहुत ही बड़ी fan हूँ. I just love their body mist. So he gifted this to me and immediately I fall in love. उस वक्त Victoria's Secret इंडिया में नहीं मिल रहा था. Recently I got to know कि Victoria's Secret इंडिया में लॉन्च हो चुका है and I get this. It's just amazing to get this smell again because मैंने इसकी I guess almost 10 to 12 bottles back in my college days use करी हुई है. The fragrance is not extremely mature and extremely bubbly. It's a very sweet and kind of a mature fragrance. You can definitely carry to your college, your office, everywhere. Pure Seduction is kind of a signature smell from Victoria's Secret. Pardon me if I'm wrong, but मैंने बहुत ही सुना है उनके stores में भी ये fragrance use होती है mostly. If you are someone जिसने Victoria's Secret से कुछ भी नहीं खरीदा but always wanted to buy something from that, I will suggest go get your hands on this mist because it's just amazing. As I mentioned, the link of this product in the description box. Alright, so let's talk about next product जिसका I guess मैं more than 5-6 months से use कर रही हूँ, but last कुछ महीनों में बहुत ज़्यादा use हुआ है because of course it was a summer. I'm talking about this water bottle. मुझे अभी तक ऐसे क्यूट वाटर बॉटल्स यूज करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. I mean, look at this, how cute it is, and उस पे also ये text है, it says don't worry, be happy. I get it from DMart. इसमें बहुत सारे कलर थे but this color is something that attracted me and last कुछ सालों में मैंने ऐसा कुछ कलर ट्राई भी नहीं किया था वाटर बॉटल में, so I just love and I picked this. This bottle is cute but थोड़ी छोटी है I know, but it can fit in my bags and backpacks, so yeah, I just love this product. Next item I have is from Jiva. I have a very dented neck piece with me. I always love collecting such dented pieces. Look at this, it's so beautiful. बहुत ही एंटी फेस है. It's kind of a small cube but इसके अंदर एक ब्लू कलर का हार्ट है. Look at this. This face can literally uplift your any outfit. With the product you also get the certification of the product, means the product is the original, which is a really good thing. Last but not the least I have is this face razors. I never been into face shaving because मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा sensitive skin type से हूँ. मुझे बहुत ही जल्दी बम्स आ जाता है, रेडिश हो जाता है, बहुत कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. तो मैंने ना अब तक फेस शेविंग ट्राई नहीं किया था. आई हैव ट्राई आई गेस इन द कॉलेज मिनी शो से लेके, बट मुझे वो सूट नहीं किया था एंड बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम हो चुकी थी. बट रिसेंटली आई गेट माई हैंड्स ऑन दिस रेजर. इट्स फ्रॉम द ब्रांड सेंफी एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. यू लिटरली डोंट नीड टू हसल विद दिस रेजर. बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईजी टू यूज है. दैट इज इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. इफ डिड then do not forget to do all the good things like, comment, share and subscribe. With this I'm signing off. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, spark love.